ENT600, each of the module or each of the assignments, there is continuity. Yeah, so there is a relation between these chapters with the assignment. Yeah, assignment 1 relates to assignment 2, assignment 2 relates to assignment 3, and also assignment 4. Okay, let's we go on the, before we go to the NPD, we already done on the especially on the case study, and alhamdulillah all of you already submit the case study assignment, and also you already done on the NABC lah, yeah, on the generating the ideas lah. Okay, so for the chapter 1 or module 1, we already cover what we cover in chapter 1. We look into of apa, the concept or definitions of entrepreneurship and also technology entrepreneurship, right? So the 4 key dimensions of entrepreneurship apa dia? What is it? The 4 key dimensions of entrepreneurship. We talk about apa dia?
Risk.
We talk about risk, and then we talk about the 4 key dimensions of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is very huge, general, besar dia punya definition. So we talk about risk, but this is the key dimensions. Risk, and then we talk about what dia?
Creativity and innovation.
Yes, creativity and innovations. Another one,
Opportunity
the third
and
one,
exploitation.
opportunity exploitations. Then
Proactiveness.
the proactiveness.
Proactiveness.
So this is 4 key dimensions of entrepreneurship. And also we look into on the technology. So technology we kata is minor, major, breakthrough, and then we focusing on the device, processes, methods, yeah, raw materials on this one. And also we look into entrepreneurial process. Yeah, entrepreneurial process ada three phase. Yeah, so throughout this ENT600, we're going to experience indirectly, practically, when you do assignment, yeah, concept, and also practically while you do the assignment. So we're going to go through at least these two from these 3 phases. Phase 1 apa dia? Entrepreneurial process, which is you already done on this part. Phase 1 is about apa dia?
Idea
Yes.
generation.
When we talk about idea generation and also idea screenings, idea generation and idea yeah. So for these idea generations, yeah, then you go for this idea generation. Apa yang you all buat? You already present an ABC, right? And with an ABC, you already present setiap all of you punya group members, you already present the ideas, what product or service you want to do. You already go for the NABC. So from that NABC, actually, you proceed to, you choose one of this idea, then you go for the case study. So for these idea generations, okay, you already done on this NABC and also case study. What is next? So second entrepreneurial process or phase apa dia? After you idea generations, idea screening, then you go to idea apa? Yes, idea evaluations and also development. So when you go to the phase, actually, so masa ni lah, this lah kita, you going to do the NPD. So we going to go for you punya own product ideas. Okay, you're going to go for R&D, going to go for this concept testing, for prototype, product design, also test marketing. And also the cup phase ini juga kita akan buat on the blueprint assignment ke-4. Okay, so phase 3 idea exportation, you're not going to you experience lah idea exportation ni, you going to commercialize kan you punya product, you going to set it up a company. So itu you tak kena. For this ENT600, you akan stop sampai phase 2, idea, evaluation and so sampai ke blueprint nanti. So from next we go for the opportunity analysis. Betul tak? So when we talk about business before opportunity analysis, we cover on the creativity innovation. Betul tak? Is it true? We go for the module. Okay. So for this ENT600 MPD, we want you come out with new product. So again, so new product ini ada inventions, ada innovation. Okay, how types of innovations? Apa dia? Ada berapa?
4.
4. Apa dia?
Synthesis, duplication, extension, and invention.
Okay, so ada inventions, duplication, synthesis and also duplication. Okay, kan?
Yes.
So we not go for the inventions for this subject. So inventions, you know that sesuatu yang baru, is usually take time, decades. So usually we go for this, innovations, duplication, synthesis, ni lah, So and then after that we go on the chapter 3 or the module 3 is opportunity. So opportunity, we already untuk come out with opportunity, there is 3 ways. What product or service you want to come out? Okay, apa dia? 3 tu. Macam mana nak come out with product or service yang ada opportunity? First you, apa dia? You look into opportunity analysis. Apa dia yang you lihat? What you go through? You look into, lupa dah ni, opportunity analysis. Yang pertama adalah apa? When you do case study, apa yang you lihat dekat situ?
Observing market trends.
Yes. When you do a case study, actually you you already done on the problem or solution problem. You find the issue of the company or the business, then you give the solution. So opportunity dia, when you want to come up with product or service, first you go lihat kepada problem if you can solve. A second one tadi apa dia Balkis? A second one is lagi satu.
Solving problems.
Yeah, itu solving problem. A second one is
finding gaps.
okay, you want to finding gaps, Maybe product or service tu ada lagi lopong-lopong, ada gap lagi not fulfill, That one is second. The third one you can see in terms of apa? In terms of apa?
Market trends.
Okay, you can see in terms of market trend. Some of the product or service, when you look into trend, what is the trend right now? Ataupun situation right now, So environments, what is happening now? So that is opportunity untuk you come up with business, product or service. Okay, done kat situ. Now we going to look into new product development. Okay, you already choose you punya product or service. Now, you already done you punya case study. You look at the people punya, you go to SWOT analysis of that company. You see the weaknesses of the current product or service. There's actually this opportunity to you come up with your own product. So these chapters is actually you want to develop your own product idea. Okay, so baguslah, at least you boleh cover, at least you boleh relates with chapter 1, chapter 2 and also chapter 3. Okay, let's we go on the new product development. Okay, so definitions of the product development lah, the concept lah, So very straightforward. If you can, this is the process which entrepreneur design and create new products or service that will be sold to customer. If you can come up with new products yang you boleh sold to customer, that is MPD lah, create new products or services. Okay, why is this new product important? Okay, why important? So usually sometimes some of the brand every year you ada, you can see they are come out with a new product, Yeah, so brand like examples, telephones, iPhone ke, they always always every year they come out with contoh iPhone 13, iPhone 14, atau 15. So actually one of the factors is actually for survival. Okay, for this survival, okay, so when this company have a new product as a platform for company to compete. Yes, I have a new product. Yeah. So because if you develop and introduce new and improve, will have distinct advantage to compete. Yeah. Nowadays, you have to know that technology is become more complex. Yeah, it's very fast, and also we will cover the chapter X tak silap saya, product life cycle. Kita akan tengok product life cycle and also technology life cycle. Yeah, it's very short. Yeah, sentiasa always will change. Okay. Company face threat or losing market share when competitor come out with a new products. Okay, just have to come out with new product to ensure survival. So you have to know that, yeah, the perceptions or the mentality of the customer, user or consumer ni, they always think that new product always good, always accident. Yeah. So because when of course when they come out with the new product, actually they improvise, they improve the existing product yang ada. Yeah. So this is when the some of the company come out, like example iPhone 14, nanti ada iPhone 15. So kalau dia punya rival competitor, like example Samsung or something like, tak keluarkan a new product, so this customer will shift to will shift to company or brand mana with a new product. So nak tak nak nanti maybe competitor punya customer ni will shift to you punya products. Okay, so that's why losing market share. Market share nanti duk ambil market share, competitor akan shift ke you punya. That's why it's for survival. That's why it's very important that always the company or brand ni, yang the brand ni come up with new product. Or another thing is important is because of the strategy for growth. Okay, so to expand, to grow, to kembangkan business. Yeah, this is another strategy lah when you have a new product. So ada dua, you want to grow you punya business is introducing new product to existing market. Misal like example, kalau iPhone dia dah ada market dia actually, new product to existing market. Market dia, they come out with new product, okay, iPhone 14 ke iPhone 15 ke, improvise sikit-sikit, market yang sama, ataupun introducing new product to new market. Mungkin dia punya market, example iPhone more kepada corporate, mungkin dia buat another product more kepada budak, ataupun yang in terms of when we talk about a market ni, we go also for the demographic. Demographic ni is about age, gender, mungkin level of income. So maybe they come out with level of income, mungkin dia reduce kan, come out with a new product yang more cheap lah, and then they target a new market. Market in terms of level of income. So this is the pentingnya the new product. Okay, defining a new product. So new product can be completely new product, and also not a completely new product but existing product that has undergo significant improvement. Okay, again, kita kata new product ni perceived to be new in the mind of the customer ataupun consumer. Dia rasa, oh, this is new product. Dia tukar-tukar sikit-sikit, oh, this is a new product. I got the latest editions. This is the new product. Okay. Then completely new products. Okay, new to the world or the world products. Okay, in new invention. Again, this is for this ENT600, you not go for the inventions. Invention is not easy. So decades baru come out with the new product. Orang yang pertama come out with telefon. Orang yang pertama come out with kapal terbang. That is ni. New to the firm, new product lines. Mungkin new to the company but not new to the marketplace. Means that, example, AirAsia come out with airlines, dan dia ada nak ceburi bidang lain on the food ke, on the hotel ke. So new product tu not new, but for the company is new. Okay, so this is always yang akan dibuat ataupun entrepreneurs atau business out there will use this, actually more improvement on existing product. Yeah, addition to existing line, subset to the new product lines, targeted to different market segment, tukar ke, improvise and revision to existing product, tukar sikit, cosmetic, functional tukar sikit, yeah, features tukar sikit and become a new product. Okay, cost reduction, maybe offer new benefit to customer, other possibility to reduce price. Maybe with raw material yang murah, they also can sell with a low price, okay, provide enormous added value to the firm, financial rewards too lah. And then also they go for repositioning, new applicants to existing product, more to with consumer perception rather than technical development. Okay, so types of product development program. Okay, inilah yang ada. Types of development, okay, new to the worlds, okay, new product lines, okay, add to existing, improve or revise, construction and repositioning. So when we look into this, yeah, so again, for the new to the world invention study take longest time lah to introduce. High potential, highest potential, yeah, contribute to economy, market development, highest example cellular phone, Star Trek, new product lines, yeah, long high potential market development, high Hyundai product Asia lah, yeah. Add to the existing, so always they go for this product development yang improvise from this current product ataupun existing product in the market. They usually go for this add to existing, improvise, because we consider of introduce within the time frame or time to introduce. Okay, shorter lah, medium ni, improvise, cost reduction and also repositioning. Okay, so far any question for this part before we go on the product and new product development? Any question? Are you with me? Any questions on this? Why you need the new product development? Yeah, direct. So for survival and also for growth. Yeah. Okay. Okay, ada persoalan? Okay, yeah. Okay. So for this, usually, okay, when you want to say that tadi tu new product, so yeah, and product and new product development. So inilah dia, a product is an item or service that serve the needs of customer. Okay, a product has many dimensions which includes features, quality, specification, packaging, price, brand name and technology. Okay, so usually again saya kata, so market, current existing product, current market, per product in the market always go, it's not in inventions, go for the innovation. So dia tukar sikit, they do changes or modification made to any of the product dimension. Tukar sikit function, tukar feature, it's become a new product. Okay, so okay, when you have come out with product or service, so untuk your product become new, actually you boleh tukar, do some changes or modification, maybe with this dimension. Maybe you tukar dari segi packaging, quality spec, tukar features, change technology, improvise the technology, tukar brand names and price. For this ENT600, tak semestinya you will cover for the 6 dimension yang you kena tukar lah, modify. Maybe 2 or 3 should be enough. So again, for the business kat luar sana also, the product or brand kat sana pun, they not really change new banyak sangat because they want to save kan. So for this year mungkin dia tukar sikit-sikit for this year. So because dia nak for the next year, kena ada new product juga. So when ada new product, so they have to come out with apa yang dia nak change, modifications, ya. Dia tak akan keluarkan semua sekali, ya, sebab dia also ada strategize. So at least nanti dah keluar semua, next year nak keluar product what, ya. So every year dia akan tukar sikit-sikit. So apa beza if you see iPhone 13 dengan iPhone 14? So dia already dah ada R&D on the iPhone 15, 16, 17, actually dia dah ada. Okay, so dia tukar sikit-sikit je sebab in the perceptions of the customer, new product always good. Yeah. So I also will give this is also product dimension that can create a new product. Okay, contohnya performance capability. Okay, a new improved washing detergent, softener, etc. lah, performance. Okay. So maybe washing detergent ni like example, before this kalau if you see liquid, yeah, sometimes it's very pekat, and then nowadays because this pekat punya liquid there's a problem, so habis bertumpuk-tumpuk baju, maybe kita kalau kita letak dekat washing machine, so they improvise, yeah, they improve with sekarang ni if you can see liquid ni tak ada bekas sangat, then it's just nice when you put, so tak adalah baju bertumpuk-tumpuk. Okay, then also maybe the liquid detergent ni is not enough on the softener, bau that they come up with capability ni, performance ni lah. Ataupun changing liquid instead of power detergent. Yeah, before this again masa zaman saya 70s, like 70s, there's not many other washing machines. Usually go for this sabun buku and also the powder. So they usually bila nak basuh baju tu dia letak dulu powders, then only we can wash dengan sabun buku. But nowadays we have to application have to change, ya. Orang guna washing machine, ya, takkan nak letak sabun buku kat situ. And also some of ni not prefer to put the powder inside the game. Kadang-kadang powder nanti ada lagi powder tu bila letak, especially on banyak baju dalam ni. So instead of this, the change the use of liquid. Okay, another thing is after sales service for the product, frequency of service or motor, and also promote the image for the product. Contohnya in terms of packaging, use the biodegradable packaging materials, and also changing the ability of the product. Yeah, the use of vending machines for top-up cards is sometimes it's difficult to get the maybe that product, example top-up cards ni, kalau you pergi a big airport ke, sometimes kalau you nak SIM card, actually they have the machine vending machine je dekat airport to get, tak perlu nak register. Kalau example dekat Heathrow ke, they always sell the SIM card using the vending machine. Ya, tak perlu nak register all that. Okay, memudahkan for the tourists to use the communications lah, telecommunications. Okay. I want to share with you all. Okay, this is the examples of the product development ideas previous semester. And when you see this video, okay, I will play the video after this. Okay, this is among the kira excellent jugalah dia punya product idea, ya, product or service idea. And one or two of this one already in the market, ya, product already commercialized kan, ya, from previous class saya. So when you look into of this video, boleh tengok, can see product dimension, which product dimension yang they look into. Is it price? Is it brand? Is it apa tadi? Lagi? Price, brand, lagi apa? Product dimension. Apa lagi?
Teknologi.
Teknologi. Lagi?
Packaging.
Features.
Packaging. Features. Lagi? Nak tengok you.
Quality speed.
Brand.
Quality. And then? Apa lagi satu?
Price.
Price. Okay. And also you look into this video which actually product dimension that they are using, and also what types of innovations is it they go for this duplication synthesis ke, ya, and also look into actually opportunity, which opportunity yang they go, is it problem solving, is it the market trends, or is it the find gaps. And lagi satu important is actually there are 5 attractive of the characteristic of opportunity. Apa dia? 5 characteristic of attractiveness. Apa dia? When you come out with the product or service tu, you punya product boleh apa dia?
Timely.
Timely, yes, at the right time. The second one,
Solvable.
Solvable.
yes, solvable, yeah.
Important.
Important, okay. Lagi,
Profitable.
profitable, and
And at last, context.
yes, the last contact. So if you can come out with product or service, yeah, yang maybe touch on the salah satu on this characteristic, that is the opportunity untuk commercializekan or demand in the market. Okay, let's we go on this. Okay, first on this video. Okay, sekejap ya.
Do you ever stumble into a construction site where steel hoarding was
Yeah. Sure. Wait for a while. I have to change to
Do you ever stumble into a construction site where steel hoarding was used? Do you know what the problems with the conventional hoarding?
you see
Normal hoarding can create noise
the
pollution
highlight
and
first
harm our
problem.
health. It also complicated and takes time to install and dismantle.
So what's the problem? So dia kata dismantle and
This product will
complicated.
end up in wasteland, thus it is not sustainable.
So problem dia
Last but not least, weathering
sustainable.
causes its materials to easily worn out and rusty. Introducing eco-friendly acoustic hoarding.
So
Equipped
problem,
with
then they give
interlocking
the
system
solutions.
for easy installation. Reflective strip for safety purpose.
So this is when you see on the
Water-based
NABC
stabilization.
needs approach,
Locking system for
Yeah.
sturdy support. Complete with paneling for
benefit,
aesthetic
and
value.
also inilah competitor, ya.
First layer, durable reinforced mesh to provide strength
This
and
is
durability.
They come out
Second
with
layer, polyurethane foam
approach
is made
dia
from
come out with this
recycled
product,
material to
benefit
reduce the
dia,
noise pollution.
yeah.
Third layer, absorbent breathable fabric to prevent water from entering.
Mungkin features, mungkin the varieties of
The solution
colors.
is here. Imagine a world of less noise with modern design. Eco-friendly acoustic hoarding has a significant effect in reducing noise pollution at sites. Easy and save time to install due to lightweight.
So you see the benefit of this
Luminous
product lah.
strip appearance to provide lighting and glow in the dark. It is also very durable and reusable.
So all this the
The
benefit
product can be
durable.
suitable for commercial, residential,
So market
private
dia,
areas.
target market
It can
dia
be
kat
commercialized
mana?
in different industries. Eco-friendly acoustic hoarding
They
smashes
already
the
knows
benchmark
who
for
is the
highest
target
quality
market.
hoarding in the current
Who
industry.
will use or buy
Making the
this
old
product?
new again.
Yeah. So you all faculty FSPU maybe this is also relates with your ni lah ya. with your product, yeah. Okay. Yeah. The second one is yeah. Maybe with all this video, at least you boleh get an ideas actually what area product dimension that you can yeah, choose, yeah. Okay, this is actually one of my student commercializkan with this product lah. Yeah, so they have already startup company and then they already commercializkan dia punya product and also go for another product.
Imagine living in a small house with 7
With your actually with your product also actually you can come out, yeah, like example ni community needs, yeah. From this one is actually they come out with solar power, yeah, for this community, yeah. So to solve the community yang tidak ada api air di Sabah ni, ya. So with your product actually, ya, boleh bring benefit to the community, especially on the community in needs lah. Okay. So when you come out with the product, you boleh solvekan, you go for the community, rasa sedih macam ni. When actually kita pasangkan betul-betul dekat community dekat Sabah, dekat Pulau Bangi ni, they don't have any electricity. Ya, bila student ni pasang dekat situ, very simple solar and also that is the power, ya. Then malam ada lampu. Saya pun berada di sini is very touch lah. At least we can give something to the community. Ya. Target market for this student ni, produk dia two. Satu yang really there's no electricity. The second one is ada, but in term of the reduce the cost lah. Ya. For the conventional way, dia guna electricity ataupun genset. Dia tak guna electricity, dia use the genset. So this student letak the power box as a pilot dekat Abang Burger ni. So they want to hear the feedback. Yeah. Usually they use the genset. Yeah, with this. Yeah. That's why dalam nanti you going to do a simple questionnaire for the concept testing. You have to ask the community lah ataupun you punya target market on what the feedback on you punya product idea nanti. Okay. Okay. So from this actually you do a concept testing and then nanti we go for this apa dia prototype, ya. Then this why student to go for the prototype, ya. So ini juga one of the ni student FSKM, ya. So this is lama dah, is it 2018? Before this system, this apps ni tidak ada. Now today start already come out with this idea lah. And they do it masa ni 2018. There's no this smart petty feeder ni. Okay. So this is maybe more on kepada to enhance ataupun is more kepada it's not needs, actually more kepada kehendak on this ni, improvise technology on the fit di kita punya ni lah pad. So that's why they come out with the benefit there. So the functions, they go for the text message. You want to see the level of the makanan dia ni. palette dia. This is the first functions. So current product masa ini 2018, there's no benda ni lah. They go for the sensor detector. So this is the new applications and new features yang dia come out lah for the student. Then become a new product lah. Then there is a set, maybe some of these functions nowadays already have lah for this function. But when 2018, there's no functions ni. Yeah. Before this, before PKP actually, for this ENT600, we have some budget lah masa tu dengan Masmed. So that's why we go for the prototype. You can see. So ada sedikit lah kita bagi duit pada student for the to develop prototype. And also we go for the competition at the end. So nowadays because of the PKP and then we short of budget, kita setakat on the 2D or 3D design sahaja for you punya assignment. Okay. So ini juga okay, how dia ni. Okay, for this video, dia tengok, dia highlight all the evaluations, all the type of current existing product in the market. Bila kita tengok ni, kita tahulah it's about the toaster. So actually, what is actually problem with the current product toaster in the market right now? So they highlight lah. So the issue, the problem of the product in the market ni lah ya. Always start. And then over toasted. Okay. Actually, when you do case study also, problems and you can see the issue of the company or competitor you do, and then you come up with the solution. Actually, you going to do with your develop your punya own product. So dia tengok daripada situ, so this is dia punya solutions lah. Okay. So to slot toasting. Okay. So actually this is also they go for the rumah boleh, so for the hotel budget, yeah, for small ni lah. Ada toaster for this one. Okay. Boleh tekan je flavor. Dia ambil konsep daripada example kita pergi ke KFC ke McDonald kan ada air ni nak flavor apa, pap tekan je daripada machines tu. So they get the ideas from ni lah konsep tu. So actually that one is the application lah. Yeah. That one is also FSPU, daripada FSPU. This is actually daripada student mechanical engineering. Yeah. Okay. So they want to see the more come out with efficient. Currently traditional way, it's not efficient lah. They come up with the tools ataupun machines ataupun ni lah untuk more efficient. Kira duit satu-satu kan. So they come up with innovations. So this is student mechanical engineering, they more kepada AutoCAD lah apalah, so they design on this thing lah. Yeah. So they design and engineer lah. This is student mechanical lah. So dia boleh buat AutoCAD ni lah. At the end they come up with the functional prototype lah. Even they don't have the prototype betul-betul lah, 2D or 3D lah ya. They call it intelligent coin counter lah ya. Come out ni, they see boleh masuk je shilling, That is dia boleh kira lah, ya, terus the mesin, posen, muposen, ya. So they come up with this one. Yang ini ada lagi dua ya. Yang ini mungkin dia actually ikut environment ataupun issue in the environment. Ya, that is a opportunity lah. Environment ataupun trend ketika ketika PKP. Ya, which is we already experience this one. So this is actually a trend juga ya. Nowadays masa ketika they come up with this idea is good lah to implement. But now ya, trend ni dah tak ada, PKP pun dah tak ada, we not going to use this product lah. Ya. Masa ketika ini, okay, they do it manually. So that's why you have to see the trend kadang-kadang is not long last ya. Maksudnya masa PKP around 2 years, so the product only will be used around 2 years lah. Ya. So maybe for this concept can go to another concept lah to suit the trend or environment sekarang ni, dia punya ni. Ya. The counting of the customer, the count customer masuk di dalam kedai dia lah, mall dia. Ya. If you can see this product also, you can come up with product or service or apps or system lah. So they come out with the system lah ni ya, untuk calculate apps ya, macam coin tadi tu. They combine dua. Portable and lightweight, easy to, they want to letak je dekat pintu masuk this alat ni, then when customer masuk je they can detect ya, how many sensor, how many already enter the supermarket, shop or mall lah ya. Again, this is student engineering student. So actually it doesn't matter engineering student, FFQ or FSKM. Yeah, we not go for this invention. Again, we go for the innovations lah. Okay, so the last one is this is produk yang maybe ada option untuk more efficient menggunakan produk ni lah from the current product to shift to another product. So this is agriculture punya lah ya. Okay, so the problem is with the climax, okay, affect the agriculture, okay. So this is the problem lah, ataupun the environment, the issue right now lah. So they already lack to due to lack of foods, okay. So they come out with actually a fertilizer lah ya, ataupun baja lah ya. So now we know that. So soil soluble technology lah. They come out with baja yang dalam bentuk capsules ataupun liquid lah ya. The nama pun H2O lah ya. They come out with the liquid ya, H2O fertilizer. I think this is engineering student juga, tapi dia chemical engineering student. dia ceritakanlah the features or the about packaging dia, about the features, about the product lah. So dia tengoklah dia punya benefit, ya. Okay, liquid fertilizer. So kebanyakan sekarang ini baja is more on the liquid, and also baja also right now is very expensive lah. Maybe with this fertilizer is more cheap lah, affordable untuk to shift from this current or conventional product to another technology lah, liquid ya. Okay. Nampak tak? Nampak? Can you all get the some idea actually for you punya product development? Boleh nampak tak? Ada lagi ke? Sama dengan saya? Bersama dengan saya? Okay, now. Okay, now. Group activity. I give you all around 10 minutes. You already finalize kan what product or ni service yang you nak buat. So buat very simple slide ke ataupun highlight what actually product dimension yang akan you gunakan. Yeah. So we know that, okay, theoretically it is possible to label a product as new. So when we talk about innovations, new product development, of course you have to come up with the new product. New product ni maksudnya it's not totally bukan invention, mungkin improvise from the existing, value added from the existing product lah. When any changes or modifications are made to any of the product dimensions lah, ya, daripada current ni. Okay, you have already an ABC idea product yang you ada, dan sekarang ni you nak transform to a new product. So apa dia ataupun what actually you punya product ni, development product ni, you akan touch which one. Again, saya kata you not for cover all the dimensions, mungkin 2 or 3 you touch satu pun tak apa, that you really kata that is issue problems that really needs to be addressed. Okay, so you give these solutions. Boleh? Boleh ke?
Boleh.
Okay, can I give you 10 minutes to do a simple slide, and also you're going to present lah around 5 minutes to 8 minutes. Okay, so okay, you may start now lah, yeah. So we will be back ataupun you're going to start present around sekarang 3-6 minit. Okay, around 3 berapa? 3.15, 3 suku lah. Okay, 3 suku ataupun 3.16. Okay, you may start discuss and do a simple Any questions or regarding this group activity or product dimension, you may ask lah. Okay, can we start lah dengan your presentation because you all dah some of you already ready kan? Can we go? Which one first? Which group akan present dulu?
My group, madam. Boleh?
Okay, boleh? Based on the list ni, Guru Akmal akan present first, right? So, Guru Akmal, products or service Atlina. Okay.
Betul-betul.
You may start your presentation if you're ready.
Alright. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to madam and fellow friends. So today, I would like to present about our brand that is Atlina Apps. So this is actually the innovation from the previous apps or current apps that's called Strava. So the brand name is Atlina, and the specification is compatible for iOS and also Android. So user that use iPhone or Samsung or any Android phone can use this Atlina apps. So for the features, we improvise that this Atlina apps is a spot tracker that come with hidden locations and also the GPS distress signal. This feature is basically a what you call that penambahbaikan from the previous apps that don't have this SOS emergency GPS signal. So for the technology, we use 35 technology including the HTML5, Google Analytics, and Google Fonts according to G2 stack. So the packaging is we use premium face for the apps. So the types of innovation is an extension that we offer is about the analysis of the performance and importantly keeping track of your training. SOS distress signal and hidden locations features are provided into this app to ensure the safety of the user. Atlina features including trail activities, route terrain, route difficulty, and fitness. So for our app storyboard, so the admin will manage the track and trails with rescuer nearby info. And then for the user, if they use these apps and they have some emergency, the signal will automatically send to the database and the rescuer will track the location and send the rescuer to that location. So basically, the main focus for this app is more safety features that will be added. So I think that's all from me today.
Okay, go to the okay. So types of dimension, you go for the quality spec. Yeah, before this current product, dia tidak ada dalam iOS or Android ya?
They're only available on Android.
Android. So you add on the iOS lah ya?
Yeah,
Nama
for
kan?
iPhone
Okay.
user.
Yes, okay. So nanti you boleh justify lah currently using on Android then you upgrade to iOS lah. So it's quality feature. And then features dia spot tracker, hidden location, GPS distress signal ni before this tak ada ya. I mean the current product tak ada.
The current product Strava tu dia tak ada yang macam safety features tu. So kalau macam contoh macam hikers kita naik dekat satu gunung and then dia hilang, rescuer kita tak boleh detect kat mana dia. Tapi untuk Atlina ni kita boleh detect.
Okay, so the main is for the safety
Yes, safety.
So you highlight kat situ for the safety So what we come out with spot tracker, hidden location, also GPS, right?
Yes.
So you the key is actually you more focusing on the needs safety tu. Itu yang
Alright.
penting tu. Okay. So teknologi okay lah, you guna di mungkin yang current produk dia menggunakan teknologi yang lain, maybe yang this one you think that this is teknologi latest ataupun current doing. Am I right? I mean the good one is teknologi yang ini lah.
Latest technology.
Okay. Packaging ni apa ya?
Packaging tu basically dia punya apps punya, kita punya panggil apa, apps tu punya ni lah, phrase tu.
Dia punya apa? Interface?
Interface, yes.
Oh, okay. Itu bukan features ke? Masuk dalam features ke? Kan
Features macam lain sebab
interface tu.
sebab macam ni apps tu
Okay.
kurang.
Okay. So, okay, this is extension yang mana? Okay, next. Okay, untuk yang storyboard ni, baguslah you buat ni, tetapi untuk nanti konsep testing, you nak buat questionnaire kan? Nanti saya bagi you all sample of questionnaire sebelum ni. Tapi before you tulis kat sini, you kena explain sikit you punya verbal description. So, actually what is you punya produk ni apa? Yeah, then only you cakap so our how is our apa nama benda ni?
Atlena.
Atlena function works, baru you letak this storyboard. Okay, jangan letak storyboard saja. Tak faham apa benda ni. You cakap lah Atlena ni bla 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 apa dia ni. How this work? Okay, baru you ceritakan about and then you letak sekali storyboard ni.
Alright.
Okay? Okay, thank you Akmal.
Alright, thank you madam.
Okay, next. Next group mana?
Group saya ada.
Okay, proceed.
Okay, madam, can you hear my voice?
Boleh.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As mentioned in previous class, we need to learn about our service competitor based on the SWOT analysis. And therefore, today I'm going to present the innovation of our service detailing comprised of product dimension. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you our service named Binamol Smart Apps that is equipped with new technologies and features. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, for your information, once the entrepreneur have gone through the creative process and discovered best idea based on SWOT analysis, and then the next step is to implement new ideas through the process of innovation. And generally, there are 4 types of innovation, and our innovation is closely related to extension. Maybe there are some of you are still not familiar with these terms. Extension is a type of innovation that introduces different application or new use of existing product, service, or process. In fact, this application already invented by SAP Sariba for a service named SAP Business Network, which is used to connect a contractor with a supplier. However, previous service is too confidential and only can be accessed by registered company using CIB number. It also seems outdated in technologies and features. This issue creates a problem-solving ideas for us to launch Binamol Smart Apps, which can connect all people with the supplier. And there are some updates introduced for this service, which will be discussed on the next slide. Okay, moving on. I will explain on the service dimension. As the study has been conducted in understanding the internal and external issue, we have some ideas to differentiate our service with the competitor service, and the dimension involve features and technology. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now let's take a look on the features. The first features that we introduce is user account add-on. As I mentioned earlier, the previous study has shown that our competitor service is only allowed a registered contractor with CIDB number to access the supplier material, which means the service is confidential to be accessed. However, we solve this issue by allowing everybody to get installation service. It signifies that we have magnified our target customer by not only focusing on contractor, but also people at home. Secondly, there is installation service add-on. Previous study has shown that our competitor service only supply and delivered the material on site involving a contractor and supplier. But we have introduced these features to install the material timely. People at home just need to click the install button and install the material automatically. Thirdly, there is a company performance monitoring. Uh, in this issue, admin will always monitor the bad review and report from customer. Customer can also review the feedback from previous customer and the rating given that reflect the supplier reputation. The previous study has shown that our competitor service always face a complaint from customer due to the supplier mistake. In fact, there is no guarantee on supplier risk, but our service allow to give any feedback towards the service given all at once, increase the work intensity among supplier. The fourth one is the features technology. The feature introduced is booking management and calendar. In our previous study has shown that our competitor service can only be billed within transaction time. As a result, there are some supplier service always unavailable due to the unsystematic planning. However, our service introduced booking and calendar, which allow customer to choose the available data earlier. Available date earlier. This concept has been practiced by some hotel apps, but in construction service, we are the first company to introduce these booking and calendar features. Fifth, the accessibility features whereby it's more portable and convenient to be used with an unstable connection internet. Previous study has shown that our competitor service only use their website to connect contractor and supplier, which require stable internet connection. However, we overcome this issue by introduce this service via Play Store, which signifies it can reach wider audience with special need with an unstable internet connection. As the application has been installed, the accessibility features will be received. This concept is almost similar with WhatsApp, where the unstable connection can also help connecting people around the web. And at last, manual book frequently asked question and train agent. Previous study has shown that our competitor service did not provide any guidance for the first-time customer who deal and make this transaction, resulting to a confusion in using the service. Therefore, we overcome this issue by providing a trained agent to guide the user to use the service via live video or recorded video. The manual book and frequently asked questions are also explained in the video by our trained agent. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now let's take a look on technology. There are some technologies adopted for our service. The first technology adopted is auto replier to help reply customer unanswered message earlier. Previous study has shown that there is understaffed in support issue in our SWOT analysis. The problem that always occur was late reply, resulting customer feel reluctant to get the service. However, we think we should overcome this issue by adopting auto replier to ensure all messages are responded if the supplier is unavailable sometimes. The second technology adopted is application service that can be installed via Play Store. As I mentioned earlier, previous studies show that our competitor use outdated technology using website that can cause lagging and many problems caused by unstable internet connection. However, we create a transformation by placing our service in Play Store. Signifies our service is more convenient and portable for mobile phone user, either iOS or Android. Thus, our income will be generated via installation per person. The third technology adopted is Google Analytics 360. Previous studies showed that there is no technology to monitor the supplier. Therefore, we solve this risk by adopting Google Analytics 360 into our system. As I mentioned earlier in the previous dimension, our service is equipped with company performance monitoring, right? Which help admin to keep updating or seeing the feedback given. Thus, help customer to analyze the store metric and performance beyond just conversion. And the fourth, the technology adopted is documentation scanner. Previous studies show that the invoice of delivery order will be submitted via online in PDF format as reference. Therefore, we solve this issue by seeing scanner documentation. I will illustrate for your understanding. Okay, once the material has been delivered and supplied, the supplier will scan the code paste in the material labeling, and then the delivery order, simply speak, it is called DO. Uh, the DO invoice will appear in the service card, and the system will make the transaction become more convenient for record tracking. At last, the technology adopted is supplier location tracker. Previous studies showed that every supplier movement is confidential and contractor need to wait till the material deliver on site. However, we create a bit abnormality by displaying supplier movement in journey to your site or home. This concept is applied in Foodpanda or GrabFood apps, and we are the first construction service that adopt this technology. I think that's all from me. I'm Aimiza signing off this presentation with Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for your attention.
Okay, very good. I mean, on the product ataupun service dimensions for this group. Again, ya, for this MPD, you boleh letak all this dimensions yang you change and modifications or you improve, you upgrade lah ya. From ada tak ada ni ya, so become a new lah. But for the reality, if you want to come out with all these features 246 teknologi 245, so it will cost more to your company. So again, tadi tu strategi for MPD adalah for survival and also for growth. For survival, we know that kalau boleh every year you come out with a new product. Kalaulah you keluarkan debu sekali je all these features for the next apa dia. So kena pandai strategi lah dekat situ kan. So maybe what you can do is for this MPD you boleh letak semua. Di dalam blueprint nanti ada part dekat situ you going to emphasize ataupun you going to improve yang mana urgent dulu, yang really needs you pilih. Okay, from this ni.
Faham?
Tak guru ni, faham tak?
Faham, clear.
Ya, sebab kalau you nak buat all this ni memerlukan kos yang tinggi ni. And then again you next nanti tak ada produk baru pula you nak introduce. Ya, sebab again for the brand-brand kat itu dia dah banyak sebenarnya, dia R&D banyak sampai mungkin iPhone dah iPhone 20 but dia keluarkan sikit-sikit. As dia punya senjata untuk every year we have a new product. Okay, group ni?
Okay.
Congrats.
Clear, thank you madam.
Okay. Next group.
My group, madam.
Okay, go. We are ready.
Okay. Sebentar, madam. Saya nak present.
Okay, after this, after you present semua ni, tolong letak slide ni di dalam Google Classroom. Letak je di dalam di dalam NPD ya, assignment.
Okay, boleh saya mula, madam?
Boleh.
Alright. Alright, good afternoon to madam and fellow classmates. Today, representing my team, we would like to present our homely futuristic app. So basically, this application is an application that customers or the homeowners specifically can use to get home services. Now, uh, all right. So for this application, there are two types of innovations. The first one is extension, in which we introduce different applications or new use of existing services. And then the second types of innovation that is implemented for this application is synthesis, in which we combine the existing concepts or factors into a new formulation or use. And for this application, we involve the three R functions, which are rebuild, repair, and redesign. Now, what are the product dimensions? The first dimension is technology. So if you look at this table, uh, we co- uh, we compare as a comparison with our current competitor, Punchlist USA websites. So they do offer home services, and the customer can actually book the services through their websites. But that's the problem. They are only reachable through websites, in which if you load to websites, it can take much longer time compared to mobile applications. So uh, our group come out with homely futuristic application, s- uh, mobile application, so that the customers can browse faster than the website. And then secondly, the customers can choose any contractor companies available according to their own preference, unlike Punchlist USA. So this Punchlist USA, the contractor companies are centralized under one company, and so when they are centralized, the customers are not actually given the freedom to choose whichever the contractor company they would like to hire. Next, in technology, we also do integrate QR codes for three purposes. The first one is for advertising a promotion. Second one is connect homeowners to the service provider and the person in charge of the project, and also to do the payment. Now, another product dimension for homely futuristic app is, as you can see in the slide, there are plenty of them, but we would like to highlight on the um, in-app messaging for customer service, scheduling, uh, real-time reporting, and access to permission for location, etc. Now let us take a look. Let us show you a little bit how the application looks like. So as you can see on the screen, the first as a purpose to commercialize the name, we put homely for the name of this application. All right. When the new user want to sign up, so they can choose either they are a customer or contractor. So and then they can proceed to create the account. Now let's take a look to the features on for especially for the customer. So on the home menu, um, if the customer would like to look for redesigning work. For example, they can just click on this redesign, and it will uh, display the list of contractors that offer such services. And then on the contractors button, um, the the customers, they could actually browse according to the name of the company. So let's say maybe they heard recommendations from other their friends, so they can search up the name of company recommended through the contactors button. All right, and then uh, let's say the customer choose to or the customer would like to redesign. So the customer will click on the redesign menu, choose the company, let's say company C, and then after they click on company C, the application will display the company profile, certifications, achievement, customer feedbacks, and there are two buttons at the bottom, which are consultation and estimates. So they can contact the company through these either two of these buttons. And next, there is also finance feature. So in this application, in the finance section, it is separated into two. One first is invoice. The customer can access to the invoice served uh, presented by the contractor. So the clock sign means that the customer haven't done any payment yet. And then on the right hand side, there's a payment. So the customers can click on that to do their payments to the particular contractor. Next, we have mails section. There are two parts in this mail. First one is messages, in which you can use the messages feature for you to for the customers to get in touch with the contractor that they hired. And then on the right hand side, the right part, uh, the customer can also track how much the progress of the task that had been done by the customer. And then on the last part is the user settings. This is where the customer can customize their personal info, including their names, their uh, what was the word? uh, their names, their bank. Let's say bank. If they want to include their bank information, they can use that too. And then there is also like a feature in which the user can also uh, register their business. It's like uh, it's like Shopee. So I guess that is all from our group. Thank you very much for your attention.
Okay, good. Ni dah siap dah ni prototype. So pergi ke slide sebelum ni jap. Okay, first slide, second slide. Okay, so I think for the product design kan, for this group dia already highlight kat sini. Ya, current product or competitor sekarang ada benda ni. Ya, so you nak buat apa? So baguslah ada benda ni. Mungkin dekat product design nanti you boleh buat letak benda ni juga. Ataupun kalau siapa ada yang produk, mungkin you akan tukar dari segi features ke, bentuk ke, design ke. Sekarang macam ni bentuk dia. Sekarang our product is like this. So we improvise atau improve ya, atau added value to this product. This is current, this is, so nampak kat situ product design. For untuk ni mungkin dalam product design nanti group Angelina, you letak the storyboard ataupun flow chart ya.
Okay.
Boleh?
Okay.
Okay, so your prototype nanti you letak yang tadi tu.
Oh, okay.
Next mana? Oh, yang ni. Kalau dekat concept testing nanti, dekat questionnaire nanti, you boleh letak ni juga, ataupun you akan cerita verbal description, so you come out with apps apa, bla 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 bla. If you want to letak ni, sebab ni ada berapa gambar? Banyak ni. Ada berapa? 9?
Ada 9.
9 kan? Pandailah you nak show you punya apps ke macam mana, ataupun you nak letak flow chart ataupun ni pun dah cukup. Tapi yang ini prototype ni nanti selepas you buat concept testing nanti, you want the feedback of the the user of you punya apps kan. So nanti ada feedback, maybe ada you tengok daripada diorang punya feedback, mungkin ada yang akan tukar, mungkin they give the suggestion that you think that this is good untuk letak dalam features you. Mungkin yang ini belum finalize kan, Angelina?
Yeah, belum
So means
finalize.
that finalize prototype, it should be after concept testing. Okay? Okay, well done.
Okay.
Ini
Thank you,
baru
madam.
buat semester ni ke memang dah ada apps ni, features interface ni?
Kami baru buat, madam.
Boleh. Cepat je dah boleh come up with idea macam ni. Okay. So untuk develop sajalah ni, tinggal features interface dah ada dah macam ni. Means that untuk dia make it dia ni ya. Means that kerangka dia, apa dia nak letak dalam apps tu dah ada dah ni. Okay, thank you. Next group. Okay, next group.
My group, madam.
Okay, Rosa, yeah. If you are ready, you can proceed.
Yeah. Okay, Assalamualaikum and good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rosa Isofia and I'm representing my group of 4, Hana, Asila, and Najwa. I'll be presenting about our self-healing concrete. So without further ado, let's get started. As the slide shows, I will present to you the basic type of innovation that are correlated to the self-healing concrete product. Allow me to make a quick reference before we get started. There are 4 elements in the basic type of innovation, which are invention, extension, duplication, and last but not least, synthesis. Here and now, I would like to highlight more about the synthesis innovation, as synthesis is the most fundamental type of innovation that can be applied to our product selection. The term synthesis can be defined as when multiple ideas and features are merged into a new use of functionality by referring to the originality of earlier concepts and formulations. The synthesis is remarked as one of the basic types of innovation due to combining the multiple ideas in self-healing concrete by embedding the healing additive, which is a form of calcium carbonate in cementitious materials in order to enhance the durability of the finished products while simultaneously minimizing repairs and maintenance, as it can mend the cracks without any external help, such as manually grouting. Next, for the product dimension, the quality specifications for our product is the produce bacterial self-healing concrete with 49 MPa compressive strength at 28 days, and the capability to fix the cracks on its own, autonomously or autonomously. To give a contrast, in our initial report of the Quickcrete brand, their product only focuses on the concrete mix ratios and in strengthening the already existing concrete to reduce cracks. Our product, however, focuses on the repair of concrete throughout its lifespan. For the features, it is eco-friendly and cost-efficient. It can prevent cracking in concrete by 90%, therefore extending concrete's lifespan by up to 2 times. Self-healing concrete can heal itself within 24 hours of when cracks occur and self-repairs throughout their entire lifespan. It is ideal for high pressure, high temperature environments and reduces infrastructure repairs. The technology used for self-healing concrete is healing bacteria technology and capsule technology. The microbial and bacterial self-healing mechanism and the precipitation of calcium carbonate, CaCO3, or more familiar with the term limestone producing microorganisms, the bacteria will transform nutrients into calcium carbonate upon exposure to oxygen and water. This causes the spores to become active and the microbes to multiply. Now, as cracks appear in the concrete, bacteria becomes active. It begins germinating via spore breaking and consume calcium lactate, forming limestone. The limestone that further helps in filling the cracks. Another approach is embedding microcapsules containing healing agents. So when the materials are damaged, the microcapsules release the monomer to trigger polymerization, which repairs the fracture gap. And that is all from our group. Thank you.
Thank you. This group go to this product dimension. I think when you go, when you highlight this cost efficient, it will reflect to the price juga kan. So it means that using your product improvement on the product on the technology that you use will be a cost reduction. Am I right? Compared to existing product.
It's not really cost reduction because initially it does cost a bit more than conventional concrete, but in terms of long-term cost, it is more cost efficient because you don't need to repair it as much.
Cost effective lah. In terms of the pricing that you're going to sell is not going to be. Is it ada the different with existing product dengan you punya product? Is it the price? Is it slightly higher than existing ataupun?
Yeah, I think it is slightly higher.
Okay. So means that you cannot go for the product dimensions on the price lah.
Okay.
Okay. So cost efficient ataupun cost opportunity korang panggil opportunity cost.
Okay.
Go Google sikit what is opportunity cost.
Okay.
When you say that you kata is the price will be high but it will lasting long, betul? So means that dia tak perlu nak ada tukar ke ataupun boleh buy material banyak kali. So I think that is will be more on opportunity cost. Tengok sikit on opportunity cost. But it's good.
Okay.
Respect apa semua. Okay, thank you. Next group.
Okay, my group.
Okay. Lah, kelas you all ni bagus sebenarnya. I like it. So far lah, tak tahu lagi dua group ni.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning. So my name is Muhammad Adib. So I will
Sangat kau. Afternoon dah. Kau
Okay.
pagi.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Adib bin Mazlan. So I will represent my group for the new product development NPD. So first of all, I would like to give the product overview of our group. So our product is a scaffolding materials with embedded barcode system supported with table scanner. So this specialized barcode embedded on scaffolding materials allow easy identification and management on site. So why we need this table scanner? So this table scanner enhance the system by providing operational IT solution which uses big data cloud to record and display every scaffolding information and status. So what does it mean by collecting big data cloud? So in construction, the use of scaffolding has a variety use. So for instance, the specification, we have a lot of specification used for the scaffolding materials. So, and it also come with a different kind of package, which mean that what kind of scaffolding we want to use. Either we want to use the working platform or using the stair tower, because in construction, a lot of structure we want to be to construct. For instance, slab, wall, or even we want to do a maintenance works, we have to use the scaffolding materials. So that what it mean by come with packages. And this data that we collected, also we want to determine or to know the status or the condition of the scaffolding materials, whether it's been rented or purchased. And also the condition we want to know, either the scaffoldings we want to use is either in a good condition, or it will be ready to be returned to the supplier. So in our NPD, we use the type of innovation of extension. So what does mean by extension is introducing different application or new use of existing product, service, or processes. So thus, we introduce a new system from existing scaffolding material used in industry. So in a reality, in a construction project, which is, I mean, in large construction project, there is also a possibility to mark if the materials are owned by the company or rented from external suppliers, meaning that we want to determine if the company either want to rent it or purchase the scaffolding materials. But usually in construction, the company usually rented the scaffolding materials. So why they're rather rented more than purchases, because they want to reduce the cost in the construction. And the next is the system. This system improve the accuracy of actual stock quantities and allows the tablet scanner software records to reflect the most up-to-date materials information on site. Meaning that when we use this system, it can track the scaffolding on site and can reduce the number of labor to identify the scaffolding material on site. So in our product dimension, we intended to implement the approach of technology. So why we implement this approach is we want to shift from conventional scaffolding management method to modern innovative method by utilization of barcode system. You see that in current era, we need to be in line in the construction industry. What does it mean? What does it mean is that we want to utilize the use of technology, because in the construction industry, there's a lot of things that we did not implement the technology. So in our product, we use the technology because this product changed the management capabilities by eliminating the manual process of counting and transferring data from Excel file to the bookkeeping software. So as I said earlier, when the conventional scaffolding method is that when we, for example, when we dismantling the scaffoldings on site, we need to identify, we need to tracking the quantity of the scaffoldings on site. We need to identify what kind of scaffolding we want to use. So in the conventional method, we need we need the manual process, which is we counting each by each the quantity. So when we use that method, it's actually use a lot of manpower, and a lot of time will be wasted just to counting the number or the quantity of the scaffoldings. So by this implement this technology, we shifting from that method into we storing all the data, all the quantity in the bookkeeping software. So with this operational IT solution for scaffold, allow client return rented materials to the external supplier on time to save cost. Yes, as I said, this approach is a very systematic approach, which is we can collect all the data, all the information in just one place. So as you can see on the right, your presentation, This is the example of our product interface, which is, we can see on the first column, this is the part number, the description, the quantity, the weight, the total weight, and the total rent. So meaning that if we want to, for example, to construct a wall, so what kind of scaffolding material that we want to use, what kind, how many quantity, and how much total rent we want to spend to use the scaffolding materials. So all of these things are collected in just one place. So as you can see, the picture below is the how we keep all the scaffoldings systematically. So overall, why we want to implement this method is, we want, of course, the first is to save the time, to reduce the number of labor, and it most systematic in the construction industry, to identify, to efficiently manage the scaffoldings on site. So that's all for me in for this group.
Okay, thank you, Adib. Go to the first slide. Okay, so besar sikit lah, Adib.
Oh, sorry.
Nampak. Okay, so okay, this is good lah ya. Means that you verbal descriptions ataupun overview of your product nanti untuk concept testing on the questionnaire, and then apa, I tak tahu nanti are you going to next gambar tadi, is it you punya flow chart macam tu ke? Adib, next yang you kata tadi, is it this is you punya flow chart ataupun this is the storyboard? Maybe you boleh ceritakan how it works lah, you punya apa apps ataupun barcode ni macam mana is ni ya, first apa dia, apa dia, and then when you kata you guna Excel to the bookkeeping software, how it work lah ya, daripada tadi tu untuk for the concept testing. Overall is very good lah. I mean so far ada ke on the barcode ni? Tak ada lagi kan?
Belum ada lagi, madam.
So actually when you said that you extension sebelum ni extensions is a different application, a new extension, product, service or process. Actually nya you boleh you also do the application pun you ada juga konsep barcode lain kepada konsep you, betul tak? Konsep
Betul,
of
madam.
the scaffolding. And also actually synthesis ada tak?
Synthesis.
Combinations ada?
Tak ada, madam.
Tak ada. So I think you extension and ada sikit replications from other apa ni lah ya, konsep kepada konsep. Sebab barcode ni dah memang ada kan, you use the apa price tag, apa barcode semua kan. So the concept tu you focus, you pindah ke you punya scaffolding ataupun on the calculation. Okay, good, very good. Cuma nanti group ni macam mana you nak ceritakan how these apps ataupun this ni akan function, apa you nak storykan dalam flowchart ke, storyboard ke, ya?
Okay.
Ya, so sebab tadi description yang first tu product overview dah ada, cuma nak tengok dari segi product design ataupun prototype nanti macam mana dia ni. Okay, thank you. Okay, the last group. Group siapa?
My group, madam.
Okay, boleh proceed.
Good evening to everyone. My name is Jared and I will present my team for our presentation about our product named iSpeed Painter. iSpeed Painter is a portable tool which are included with a pressure tank that generates spray paint and handle trigger spray to release and control the spray volume. The iSpeed Painter is an innovative product that is more productive and efficient than the traditional painter. It is also designed with additional improvement based on other innovative product that aims to bring changes in painting industry. For our type of innovation, we chose duplication and synthesis. Duplication is creative replication of an existing concept, and our product is duplicate from the existing product, which is Graco jet roller. As for high-speed tools, the painting job is more energy saving, time saving, required less labor, fast cleaner where it would be not cause bleeding. High-speed is an essential tool, especially for painting company and services where it would be multifunction. By using high speed, a company can reduce the number of labor used in a single project. As for synthesis, it is a combination existing concept or factor into a new formulation or use. The combination of airless spray, painting roller, and speed shield that can be easily assembled in a short amount of time with multi-purpose or need of task. The airless spray can manage to paint the internal or external wall faster rather than using the traditional way by paintbrush and roller. But the disadvantage of using airless spray is that it would cause bleeding when over pressurization or overspray that will lead to uneven paint walks. To overcome this, the function of the roller will avoid the paint from bleeding and it will evenly paint the wall. Lastly, we attach speed shield along, where speed shield is a creative tool to paint edges or corners without using any paintbrush. Product dimension, quality specification, quality paint finishes. The outcome of painting will become neater and tidier as I mentioned before. The existence of roller attached along with the airless spray will avoid the paint from bleeding and it will paint evenly. Secondly, lightweight and durable. By using lightweight material, our product can be carried easily anywhere. Plus, high-speed painter is made from durable materials to prevent it from corrode or broken easily. Thirdly, high-speed is user-friendly, where everyone can adapt to our product in shorter time because all you need to do is attach the three item, which is roller, airless spray, and speed shield, and you can start paint. Lastly, high-speed has a quality performance where painting works can be done in shorter time, where you can save time, money, and energy. Upgrade feature existing product. Firstly, we improvise the product from Graco jet roller to extend until 8 inch, which is equivalent to 2 meters. Despite that our product high speed can reach up to 2 meters, it will not burden the workers to use a lot of energy to carry since high speed is made from lightweight material. Secondly, versatile function. High speed able to paint in three situational painting because of mode functionality. The combination of roller, airless spray, and speed shield will paint any parts of the building evenly and will improve the quality of painting. Thirdly, speed shield. The function of speed shield is to replace paintbrush to paint angles and corner on a wall. And lastly, long last tipware spray paint. We will use mega hard tungsten carbide. Tungsten carbide is a material used to make airless spray tips that is the most abrasion resistant, and that is why we choose mega hard tungsten carbide. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for this group. Okay, go to this product before this. Okay, you use the application. So you use a Grasso jet roller ni bros cat juga kan, painter punya juga kan,
Yes, madam.
betul? Betul ya. So
Betul.
what you improvise mungkin value added daripada sedia ada Grasso jet roller. Am I right? Okay.
Yes.
Untuk group you nanti bagusnya dekat product design nanti you tunjuk current product which is maybe you based on jet roller punya product, okay, the design, and then you letak you punya design. So means that what is the new ataupun what is your added value yang you yang you highlight kan kepada produk you. Sebab you kata tadi next. So nampak comparison dekat situ yang you upgrade kan. Mungkin you kata in terms of quality, finish and tidy, lightweight, user friendly, quality performance, you improvise the pool guide. So nanti you buatlah dia punya apa tu
Comparison.
comparison, and then you tulis you
List down the approach.
list down ataupun you arrowkan lah. Okay, this is the, kalau you ada bentuk roller chart tu, roller tu kan, then you identify lah, okay, this is new yang you buat. Kalau you kata pool gun is cat extra 8 inch, okay, you tulis lah durable ke apa. So you highlightkan apa dia yang you improvise lah ataupun you upgrade daripada existing. Okay, boleh?
Boleh, madam.
Sebab you are upgrading from this ni, macam scanner tadi daripada ada kepada ada, ya. Untuk yang produk-produk yang lain tu mostly more kepada features baru, and mungkin ada penambahbaikan ataupun additional features. They go for the synthesis. Macam you are more kepada extension kan? Replication. You are more kepada duplication. Betul? Daripada duplication you tiru, then you upgrade. Okay, synthesis ni lah. So you ada tambah lah ya. Oh, spray, airless spray. Sebelum ni tak ada spray ya. Okay, so you highlight lah nanti gambar. Mungkin you ni produk. So bila produk ni senang nak. Okay, ni produk sedia ada. Ni produk you. Apa yang produk ni tak ada. Okay, apa yang produk you tambah. Macam ni, you kata you combine airless spray, okay, ada. Okay, overspray ke whatever lah, speed shield ke apa ke yang tak ada kalau existing product. Okay, so thank you. Habis dah ya?
Okay,
Well
thank
done.
you, madam.
Every group, your group. Okay, please tolong letak all you punya apa slide hari ni dekat di dalam MPD juga. MPD assignment means that nanti I'm going to get this one presentation slide and also on the report on the MPD. Boleh? Nanti saya akan share on you on the sample of questionnaire untuk concept testing. Okay, in meantime you boleh proceed dah dengan yang lain tu lah. So you're going to do the guidelines and templates. So boleh proceed lah kepada guidelines and template. Yang itu saya dah ni ya. On the MPD lah ya. Sekejap, saya buka sekejap. Okay. Please proceed on the write-up. Okay. Okay, bolehlah buat dah sekarang ini. All the write-up and ABC pun you boleh dah finalize saya kata. And then definitions, apa tu semua, which one you are, semua you dah ada dah ni. Product or design tadi tu, saya dah highlight. Concept testing, you finalize you punya features, you punya product, physical design ke. And then prototype, after you do the concept testing, test marketing lah. Then you can already start lah with the write-up ya. Okay, any question? Ada apa-apa ya? Okay, I think this MPD bila submit? Bila submit? Bila
Week 10, madam. Week 10.
Week 10 ya? Okay, I think with the percentage yang you all dah buat ni, senang je. Even kalau questionnaire tu pun senang dapat, just 30 all of you, apa dia punya target market ataupun customer ataupun consumer user of you punya apps nantilah. Yeah, some of you ada apps. Okay, that's all for this week. Okay, don't forget to take your attendance. Okay, for today's class. Okay, thank you very much for I think for supporting me hari ni with the excellent active feedbacks ya on interaktif ya, aktif untuk ni ya, kalau boleh hari-hari macam ni lah. Ya, means that we have a two-way communications ya. Jangan seseorang je kat sini kan. Okay, so because online ni is quite difficult also untuk ni ya. Nanti saya bercakap seorang je dekat laptop ataupun komputer kat dinding ni. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much and we see you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and selamat.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Okay.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Okay.